But she was right, Sherwa. She showed up a full kitty proof. She showed the light, Sherwa. Checked all the boxes you said would. Put the person the social second granted. Only drawn in the zone the second check. It's not as simple as you think. Not everything is spelled out. It's not fair, Sarah. Careful, Charlie. Keep a cool head. What? Don't get scared, Sarah. It's in the song for the sky. Okay, good. You're not voting for me. Don't let it on and then. It's not as simple as you think. What are we even talking about? Some people are going to eat. People look at dedication is mouth and something says to the study. The people said it would think though. If you forget that hell is forever. And the rich one is here in 1 month. That's it. I can't wait to Adam come down and exterminate you. Oop. Let me destroy the town and I kill those for sure. Oop, get the katana back. What's the big logic? Whoa. You had to say such a hard position. I wanted to save you now. Thank you. Hassan will be quiet. Don't admire you. Well, I don't need your condescension. I'm not a child to protect. The circumcision is just protection. Sunny and I to expect you to keep the morals so good. That's what I've been saying! This hell is full of heaven must be yours. If angels do whatever engine in the sky, the rules will send you gay if you don't do as you say. If you made the angels suffer just to kill them again. By her? Ha! She should know. We should go. No! We home so close. No, I am mighty. Don't you think you're a little crush could be a liar? Adam, please. What's wrong? Don't you think by the heart angel just like us?